Relay Business Banking Review. Relay Business Banking aims to make banking easier for small businesses, but does it deliver in 2025? Let's take a closer look. Relay offers fee-free business checking, multiple user accounts, and integrated expense management. Most people get this wrong. They assume small business banks always charge high fees, but Relay is built for modern entrepreneurs, offering features like virtual cards, real-time transaction tracking, and automated bookkeeping integration. You won't believe what happens next. You can even categorize expenses, manage payroll, and generate tax-ready reports directly from the platform. Opening an account is fully digital and takes just a few minutes. There are no monthly fees, no minimum balance, and unlimited transactions, making it ideal for startups and growing businesses. Limitations include no physical branches, so cash handling requires third-party solutions. However, for online banking, Relay offers an intuitive, mobile-first experience that saves time and reduces errors. So, is Relay Business Banking right for your business? If you prioritize efficiency, expense tracking, and modern banking features, it's a top choice. For businesses that rely heavily on in-person branch access or cash deposits, traditional banks may still be necessary. The surprising truth is that with the right digital bank, managing finances can become almost effortless, allowing you to focus on growing your business instead of juggling spreadsheets and paperwork.